First, go to your desktop, right-click and create a new folder. Name it MS Office 2024. Now, open your browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Click on the first search result, select 64-bit if you are running a 64-bit operating system, or 32-bit if it's a 32-bit operating system. Select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Volume License. Go to Apps. Deselect any apps you don't need. Go down to Language and select your preferred language. Click Export. Choose Office Open XML formats. Click OK. Agree to the license terms. Click the Export button. Open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click on the first link. Click the Download button. Open the file. Select both of the files you just downloaded. Copy, locate the MS Office 2024 folder, and paste the files inside. Run the Office Deployment Tool. Accept the license terms and click Continue. Navigate to the MS Office 2024 folder. Select it and click OK. To install the software, we are going to use Command Prompt. Make sure to run it as an administrator. Inside Command Prompt, type CD / and press Enter. Type CD one more time. Go back to the MS Office 2024 folder and copy the address path. Return to Command Prompt, right-click to paste the folder path, and press Enter. Type setup.exe /configure configuration .xml. Press Enter. This will start downloading Microsoft Office 2024. If you receive a message saying you need to uninstall some programs, go to Control Panel. Under Programs, select Uninstall a Program. Search for Microsoft and uninstall any existing Microsoft Office version on your PC. Then, go back and run the command again. It works, but if you go to File, Account, you will see a message saying, Activation required. Close Word document and open your browser. Search for Mass GitHub. Make sure to select the correct link. Click on the drop-down menu and download the zippy file. Once the file is downloaded, right-click it and select Extract All. Click Browse and choose a folder. I will open the Documents folder and create a new folder inside it named Mass GitHub. Click the Select Folder button. Click Extract. Open the extracted folder, then open the Mass folder. Open All-in-One Version KMS Activation, double-click Mass AIO, More Info, and then Run Anyway. Press 2 on your keyboard to select Option 2. Press 1 to install Office Activation. Wait for the command to complete. Once done, Office will be permanently activated. Press 0 to exit. Close the windows and open Word again. A window may pop up asking you to accept the license agreement. Click Accept. Now go to Account again to see whether Office is activated. As you can see, Product is activated. If not, restart your computer. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.